Southern Chevy TV.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy, Chevy Box Rider, Southern Chevy TV. And on this day of the vlog, we are going to pick up the head to the other Honda with Lil Nick. My little helper shy, y'all. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna go and do that. Also, we're probably gonna go stop by the local parts store, and I got some codes that I need to read on the Lexus, and we need to figure out what's all going on with that. So let me get the camera turned around. Let's get the roll. So yeah, YouTube, we are off. Me and my little guy, we're gonna go pick up this part, see what's going on. See if we might have enough daylight left. You ready to roll? Yep. Well, like he said, we ready to roll. So let's get on. But yeah, we on the road. So, man, it didn't take him no time to knock out this head, man. But I didn't get back over there to him last week. He was actually done with it Thursday, but of course I had to work Thursday and Friday, so I didn't get a chance to get over there by him to get to pick the head up. So we're gonna run over there and do that, and also run by the parts store and to check out and see what is all this going on. Because if any of y'all notice, you know, got the traction control light, TPMS sensor, check engine light, and got well, I know what that one is, that check VSC. That's because of the transmission, but we're gonna see what all codes that this car had, you know what I'm saying, stored in it. So, and if anybody know, drop a comment in the comments. How do you clear the oil maintenance light? Because I've already changed the oil, but I don't know how to clear it. So drop a comment in the comments. Let me know. So let's get rolling. So made it up here to get it. So let me show you. Didn't want to show his whole little setup. You know, some people might not like you to feel, but let me show you. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. Only cost me $45. $45 to get it back right. That's the big thing, but we'll get it home. Show you how it looks even better out the bag. Got the spark plugs that was in it and the dial pins. So let's get back on the road. So yeah, YouTube. Now we headed to go by maybe O'Reilly's, get the scan code reader, read these scans, see what all going on with these check engine lights, and then you know what I gotta ride and listen to. That's his thing. But we gonna get on this road and do the thing, and man, hopefully get some good information to see what's going on, because I'm tired of all these lights lit up like a spaceship. Really am. But man, I appreciate everybody watching my content, you know, coming with me on the ride, seeing what's going on. You know, been getting some pretty good feedback, so y'all stick with your boy. It's a lot of good stuff coming on. A lot of good stuff is gonna be coming along with the channel, so stay with me. So let's get the camera turned around and get to O'Reilly. So let's go ahead and get the scan tool and see what is going on at O'Reilly's. Alright, YouTube, so we got the scan tool hooked up. Say garage full, so let's replace vehicle. Let it do its thing, and we gonna We'll see what all these codes are. Press enter. So looks like we got 1 ABS code, 10 TCM codes, 4 ECM codes, 7 OBD2 codes. So we got P0761. Which I got a new transmission, just waiting for it to come in, so I pretty much guess this is all the codes for it. Yeah. Let's see, we got multiple misfire, cylinder 4 misfire, cylinder 5 misfire, 6. So I'll probably need some new plugs. That's what I'm thinking. So that is all the codes that is in it. So I do have a new transmission on its way for the Lexus. So once they come in, I got a feeling a lot of those codes are gonna be gone. So at least now we know what's wrong with them. What's all the dash lights is going on with it. So definitely gonna get that fixed. So now let's get to the house and let me show you that brand new, well not brand new, but it looks brand new, cylinder head for the home. So give me a second, YouTube. So we back, and here's the head. As you can see, been freshly to the machine shop. All nice and clean for the most part. So I took it to the machine shop because I was worried if it had overheated too bad. And as you can see, he went through, just cleaned it up. I thought maybe it might have would have warped or the valves might have been messed up, but good thing about it wasn't nothing messed up with it. So I'm real happy with that. So yeah, everything is good on that. So the only other thing is that's raising some concern. I messed around and broke that when I was trying to get one of the vacuum lines off. So I'm gonna try to either close that up or see if he can get that out at the machine shop. If not, we'll come up with some solution, but it's pretty much, everything's ready to go back together, man. Everything's ready to go back together. Pop this hood real quick for you. So this weekend, I'm gonna take the time, go back through, put everything back together and fire it up, and hopefully it does pretty good. So that's pretty much everything for this one. And once it gets to running good, I'm gonna go ahead and swap out the hood and the fender. And cause the fender's so dented and wavy, I mean I could pull it out or whatever, but man, I'm just gonna just redo it, put a new one on there and get it repainted. So that would be that on that one, and this one will be done, get it painted. And still debating, should I keep this one? Cause I'm letting Harley Quinn go. I think I'm gonna keep it. I think I am. So then after that, next will be to do Joker, get that transmission in Joker, cause that's all Joker needs is just transmission, that's it. And like I said, I done found one for this one. And I know it's getting dark, long day, but so this one just needs a transmission, that's it. And then we'll be done with Joker and get Joker painted by Mako, and that'll be it. So we get Harley Quinn out of here, get Joker and Harley Quinn gone. I'll probably keep this one, and we have the Honda. And then other than that, the next videos really is about to be about the OBS. So, oh yeah, and you still see, still got the original Joker. That booster, still got it. And probably next is going to be taking both of these motors, breaking them down, getting them to the machine shop, getting them ready to go in there. Final resting places. So yeah, man. Give me 1 second.
Southern Chevy TV.
YouTube, so we back. Whole new day out. Well, we got some light work. And let me show you the progress that we got. So we got everything back pretty much connected back up. Just about. But unfortunately, you see that? Yeah. So now I got to pull that starter out and everything, because I wish I had a video clip of it. My homeboy, Mr. trying to jerry rig it on to get this pulley off. He wanted to come up with a way of just using a pry bar and spinning the motor over, trying to get it out. Little did I know, I did not know that it is an actual tool to get that off, which is this right here. So, yeah, of course, that dumb way costed me a starter. So I went to O'Reilly's, got the right thing to take it off. The right part. So, got that done. So now, we got everything off. I mean, we got everything back together, excuse me. Just about. Thanks to Car Dude Garage, man. Hey, he's the biggest help, right? He's been helping me with, put everything back together and getting it crunk via FaceTime. So, man, shout out to Car Dude Garage, man. Y'all go follow that man. The dude is a Chevy guy, and he's a Honda guy, too. So, man, shout out to my boy, Car Dude Garage. So, now, what we gotta do is get these last bolts off for the timing cover so we can set the timing. So, let's see. Got it back together. Look under here, pretty much got everything back right. Timing cover back on. Right now I'm in the mix. Putting the starter bolts back in. I mean, not the starter bolts. The spark plugs back in. As you can see. Yeah, so we should be ready to fire this thing up. Matter of fact, I gotta put some more oil in it. And should be ready to go. So let me finish buttoning up every last little bit of thing, going through checking all my stuff, and cut you back on in. All right, man. Sit mine together. I don't know if it's gonna crank. Let's see. Knocked out. So the next is that one back there. Get everything tightened up on it that needs to be tightened up. But this your boy, Chevy Box Rider.
Southern Chevy TV.